Hey Bentonville, if you are dealing with neck pain, then this is going to be a super important video for you to tune into, because we're going to show you what we do in the office here at Deep Roots Health Center in order to help you get out of that pain. So I have Chase with me today. He's going to walk you through all of those different details as far as what we do in order to get that neck pain taken care of. But it's something called spinal hydration therapy, because one of the big causes of neck pain is actually something called a herniated disc. We've covered that on some of the previous videos that we've done. You can certainly tune into those, but just a real quick snapshot, it's when the discs between the vertebrae actually get compressed to the point where it puts pressure on a nerve because it's lightly bulging out of that area. So this is actually something called spinal hydration therapy, which works to bring fluid back into those disc spaces and prevents future degeneration or arthritis down the road, but also just gets movement in the spine, and it prepares people for a really good adjustment here in our office. So essentially it's 3 different movements for Chase, and he's going to go side to side, he's going to go rotation, and he's going to go forward and backward. So let's show them side to side first. He just has his hands on his knees, and he's getting motion in the hips as well as in the neck, which works to bring fluid back into those disc spaces and plumps the vertebrae apart so that the nerve can leave in that area with much less pressure. So that's side to side. The next one you're going to do is rotation side to side, Chase. So what he's doing is he's looking over his shoulders both ways, getting as much motion in the neck as he possibly can, drawing fluid right into those disc spaces and preventing future degeneration. And then the last one is I'm going to have you go forward and backward. And this is probably our patient's favorite, because what this one does is it actually brings in that extension, because we're always in this position at work, when we're looking at our phones, when we're sitting in our cars, when we're sitting in the recliner at home while we're watching Netflix at night. We're always in this position here, so when we can open that up and get that curve back in that neck, this is super key, and it's a really, really important one. It's one of our patients' favorites. So those are the spinal hydration exercises that we do in our practice, and it's for most of our patients. It really depends on what you're dealing with as far as if you're going to be doing these, or if there's certain ones you will or will not do based on your conditions. But it's a really valuable piece that we have for our patients. So if you'd like to learn more or even try this out for yourself, we actually have a neck pain new patient special going on right now. It's just $40. It includes an exam, a consultation, any necessary x-rays or other testing we need to do, essentially everything to find out how we can help you out with your neck pain. So if that's something that you'd like to do, just go ahead, hit that button down below. It's going to take you to a separate page. You can input that information and start that conversation with us. So looking forward to seeing you in the office. Until then, take care of that neck pain, and we'll see you soon.